Do you ever feel like you're drowning in clutter? Like you can never find what you need when you need it? Like you're always late for appointments because you can't find your keys or your notes or the location of the meeting? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with getting organized, but it doesn't have to be that way. Here are a few simple things that you can do to get organized and start feeling more in control of your life. First, declutter. Get rid of anything you don't use or need. This will free up space and make it easier to find what you do need. Second, create a system for organizing your belongings. This can be a filing system, a to-do list, or a calendar. Whatever system you choose, make sure it's something that works for you. Third, get in the habit of putting things away. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's important to make a habit of putting things away when you're done with them. This will help you avoid clutter and make it easier for you to find what you need. Getting organized doesn't have to be difficult. Follow these simple tips and you'll be on your way to a more organized and stress-free life. So what are you waiting for? Get organized today and check out how we can help. Visit m-e-p.com for more tips and tricks and to learn how to work with us.